Hey guys! I still got my cold.
And I got pink eye. Double pink eye. No fun.
But we're both getting well a little bit at a time. But anyways, this is a baby that I got from a group called Just Dolls. She also has a page.
Her name's Jen Atkins.
Yeah, I think it's called Jen's Dollhouse.
We can put it in the video. But Jen Atkins, I see her regularly on Facebook. I don't know if she knows me and Mom's name on Facebook, but I know she likes my little piglet Reborn, Wilbur, a lot. She wants to get one of her own little piglets. That baby was a birthday present from, was it like my 18th or 19th birthday? We've been on the channel for a while. I'll have to look back at when that was, but what's that say?
Okay, so it says thank you.
It's a cute card.
And it says, Melissa, thank you for adopting this baby. She is
Leilani?
Yawning by Bountiful Baby. She is fully sealed. Her hair is mohair, as are her lashes. My art page and YouTube are Jen's Doll's House. Hope you enjoy her. Please feel free to reach out for any questions.
I wonder if she follows us on YouTube. I don't know if Jen does. We can tell her about our YouTube. I'm pretty sure she does, though. It's cute. I like the card. It's really cute.
Little thank you.
It's in a boo bag. Boo. Did I scare you? Ooh.
Looks like a donut.
I like donuts. A tiny donut for my tiny babies? You shouldn't have, Jen.
And a tiny baby.
Oh, it's a tiny donut for the tiny, tiny baby. And
A sticker, I think.
it's a raccoon. I think it might be a cat wearing a raccoon costume or something like that, because that being doesn't entirely look like a raccoon. Is that her?
Thank you for your purchase.
That's a cute little thing to add on. I'll put this tiny stuff over here before I lose it all.
Yeah, let's lose it off. Okay, here's the box. That's what you first see when you open it up.
Very appropriate, and we've got bunny rabbits. Little bunnies. We never see any around here, really. Oh,
I think she takes a full passy.
I mean, she sent full passes, but she might not.
Oh, she's yawning. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look so adorable on her.
It's like an old style vintage type dress. Is it old? Excuse you.
Yes, this is 3.
Looks like a modernized vintage type dress. It's
With a little bonnet. I love bonnets.
Looks like it's a Nicole Miller, New York, 0 to 3 month dress.
It is a newborn white.
It's a polyester dress.
But I might have to put that in on her rather quickly because I love this outfit.
These are the 2 passes that she comes with. Little bear that's sleeping, and then a little hot air balloon in the sky.
There's 4 clothes in there.
There
I'm
is.
gonna pull her out.
This bag is so cute. That. Let's do that. Alright. Let's see what else is in this little cute bag. Oh, there's a little diaper cover that goes with that. What's this?
That was a newborn.
Newborn Gerber.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got it all. This bunny bag is so cute.
This probably goes with this.
Yeah. Alright, so put the bunny bag over there. So we've got, the Gerber top that's in newborn, which looks huge for a newborn. And then you've got the bottoms that go with it by Gerber that are also newborn. The PDs are covered. And then, oh my gosh, this dress is darling. It's a type of onesie type dress. It's a 12 months. But just really darling. I love the frills. And then we've got this little sleeper. Superstar Baby 0 to 3 month. And it's got stars and suns and... Not stars, just suns and rainbows and flowers. It's really soft. Alright. Oh, she looks like she's pretty big. The blanket she's got on, it's by Badly Mishka.
Let's see, her head's covered.
It's a polyester soft.
Yeah, her head's covered.
Alright, let me look at this. That's a really soft blanket. It's got elephants and like different safari animals like lions and
Tigers and bears, oh my.
there aren't any bears on here. But there are tigers. Little tigers. And then lions. And then I think that's just like the safari thing, but this is a really soft blanket. I'll lay it down.
Alright, look at those cute little pieces. Very detailed. I think Jen painted her.
We apologize for the sniffling, coughing, or anything like that. She's got a birthmark. Did you know that?
No.
It's right here.
I like birthmarks in my babies.
So this outfit looks like it's similar to the white one, but it's in gray. It's a Carter's, child of mine 0 to 3 month.
That birthmark.
It's a cute little outfit.
I think I'm gonna keep her a girl.
There's chickens on that shirt. That onesie. There's Dumbo on these Huggies. I love Dumbo. Alright, then we got the matching shirt from Carter's 0 to 3 month. Has a little pocket in it. A little pocket in that shirt. Looks like she's a full-limbed baby.
Those are the ones I like.
They're easier to dress. You don't have limitations. You put tank tops on them. Don't worry about cloth showing. This is a Carter's 0 to 3 month, and it has chickens with baby chicks all over it.
So darling.
She's big.
So this is her little, she's very floppy. This is her little hand. One's kind of in a vest. The other one is kind of opened. My girl probably put in her kit name.
Do you know off the top of your head? Because I don't.
It's in her thank you letter.
Oh, Leilani?
Yeah. Alright, ready for the face?
That blonde?
Oh my goodness! Look at that baby. Okay, so we were showing the face off. Look at that little face.
And then I have a passy that she sent. Let's see if it looks like it's too big. Her mouth's open too big.
Maybe cut it just a little.
It's too long. It's also not wide enough to stay in. So it might be one of those like really wide circle like.
Yeah, the
bibs.
18 to 36 month.
Yeah.
Which I thought we had some.
That's yeah. I don't know. Her mouth might be open way too big to even have a passy.
Alright, well.
Unless you just do it for like in videos, you could just have it there, or in photos, just have it there. You'll still have to cut it back. That's too long.
This is too.
Oh. Yeah, it's a close up of her face. She have tonsils. I'll show you. You can see little tonsils back there. She's got rooted mohair. Look at that hair. Little ears.
I thought we had some bigger ones.
Oh, even her eyebrows and eyelashes are rooted. Holding her very weirdly.
Me and May was discussing off the camera, but I'm thinking about trying her as a boy first.
Yeah, because this baby was dressed gender neutral when she or he came in, so there's options.
But she did bring our son a dress.
Yeah, I mean, she probably intended for this cutie to be a girl, but it could go either way. The sculpt is a girl. The birthmark is so cute. Take your child.
Oh my goodness. So adorable. That's what that day, yeah. She had a cuddle baby. I kind of wanted to, but it was already sold before. Because my taxes came in, and the day after I seen these babies on our channel or on our group. Those are very detailed feet. Look at those feet.
A little bit of blue in the middle for paint job.
I just don't. I've tried painting, and I don't see how painters can be this good.
Well, she might have used heat set. Heat set I've heard is easier. It's more expensive though. I don't know how we're gonna put a passy in his or her mouth because the typical baby passy is too small.
She's got some sort of texture on the face.
And the limbs feel smooth and the face is rough. Look at that booty. You like the body?
Huh?
You like the body?
Yeah.
Looks like a good body.
Yeah. I thought I seen it on the floor. 18 inches.
Yep. So cute.
So our newest baby, she's a yawner.
Sit on her. She's so cute.
And Jen, if you see this, I thank you.
Yep, thank you for this adorable cutie being added to the Twilight Sweetie Pie Nursery.
And I love her.
Yep. I'll line this up a bit and bring it back over. So, I guess if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below letting us know what you think of her or him. Let us know if you think that this cutie would be better as a boy or a girl. The items being sent, at least what he or she was wrapped in, is gender neutral. Then there are some cute girl items that were sent. But yeah, just leave a like and a like down below if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content just like this. And we hope to see you guys in the next video.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye!